Smart Lock. The Aqara Smart Lock. U400 is a cutting-edge smart deadbolt featuring ultra-wideband UWB technology for seamless hands-free unlock-on-approach functionality. Launched at CES 2026, it offers centimetre-level proximity detection to prevent accidental unlocking. Beyond UWB, it includes a fingerprint reader, touchscreen keypad, NFC cards, Apple Home Key, app remote access, and a physical key. Built on Thread and Matter, it integrates with Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, and Aqara cameras. Powered by a rechargeable battery lasting 6 months, it also supports USB-C emergency power and is IP65 weather resistant. Lock Vision Pro. The SwitchBot. Lock Vision Pro is a cutting-edge smart lock combining 3D biometrics with high-torque performance. Its dual biometric keypad offers ultra-fast facial recognition and contactless palm vein scanning, even in low-light conditions. Local AES 128 encryption ensures privacy, while a 4,200 mAh battery with backup and emergency power guarantees long-lasting reliability. The high-torque motor secures doors perfectly, and integrated radar optimizes power use. With 15+ unlocking methods, Matter smart home support, and non-invasive retrofit installation, this sleek wood-grain finished lock delivers advanced security and seamless convenience for modern homes. Lockin V7 Max. The Lockin V7 Max is a cutting-edge Mortis smart lock unveiled at CES 2026, featuring AuraCharge wireless optical charging that powers the device without manual battery changes. Designed by Hartmut Esslinger, it boasts a minimalist 15mm front panel, dual 5-inch touchscreens, and integrated video doorbell cameras. Security is enhanced with triple biometrics, finger vein, palm vein, and 3D facial recognition, while the Lockin AI platform offers AI-powered monitoring and alerts. With Matter support, it seamlessly connects to Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings, making it a premium, all-in-one smart home security solution. D120L+. The Desloc D120L+ is a cutting-edge smart door lock with an integrated handle and built-in Wi-Fi, enabling keyless entry and remote control without a hub. It offers 6-in-1 unlocking, fingerprint, keypad, app, voice, IC card, and physical key, plus ultra-fast biometric recognition in under 0.5 seconds. The 0.96-inch lock view display shows lock status, battery, and user management. With IP54 weather resistance, BHMA, Grade 3 durability, auto lock, anti-hijacking, and anti-peeping pin features, it ensures high security. Installation is easy, and battery lasts up to 6 months. BoltSense. The ULTRALOQ BoltSense is a next-generation dual biometric smart deadbolt introduced at CES 2026, offering a seamless, touchless entry experience. It combines advanced 3D facial recognition with palm vein scanning, detecting users automatically via approach sensors. Designed to work in any lighting, it features built-in Wi-Fi for remote control and integrates with Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings. IP65 rated for durability, it also provides backup PIN and physical key access. Planned Matter support ensures long-term smart home compatibility. Commercial release is set for Q2 2026. FamiLock E34. The eufy FamiLock E34 Smart Lock is a cutting-edge security solution offering touchless palm vein recognition for instant forgery-proof access. With built-in Wi-Fi and Matter support, it integrates effortlessly into Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, or SmartThings ecosystems. Users can unlock via palm, keypad, app, or key, while all biometric data remains stored locally for privacy. ANSI/BHMA Grade 1 certified, weatherproof, and powered by a dual battery system, it also features auto-locking, anti-peeping passcodes, and smart door sensors, combining convenience, safety, and smart home synergy in one device.